Hello everyone, I thought I would just do a little video of my little, well, it's a miniature press drill. Uh, it's a tiny drill, well, you can see it's pretty small. It just consists of a speed controller which I put on the back, and I've got power in, and then it just goes straight to the motor, and the motor runs up these little guides. I put a little spring on the side here just to let it come back up again, but basically you just turn this wheel and can drill some tiny little holes. It's got about 1.8 0.8 mil drill in there at the moment, so it's ideal for doing little tiny PCBs. I've made little guides, little drill blocks. There's like a small V block where I can put, I'll just put some power on. I'll just plug the power in, and I made the little guides so they've got like a slot in the bottom, and they'll go into slots in the frame as well. And that way, when you're doing round bars, you can quite easily centralize them. So let's do a little test. Whoops. There we go. Do a nice little tiny hole. Can get that on there. Let it focus. Yep. Focus on that, and let's just turn it off again. And I've made a bigger block. This one, depending which way around you are, there's a big V block in it, and then I've made a side that'll take nuts so you can lock something in place. And then there's this shallow spot. This is just a plain side. Underneath I put a little cross so it can be, when it's placed inside on the thing, it can be located, and it makes it central. Oops, hang on, let's get the drill out of the way. There we go. It'll just sit in there, and it drills, it lines it all up, so whatever you put on there you can drill. Like I said, I'll tell you what, we can try it on this bit of circuit board, because this board I fried this one, so it doesn't really matter. It's one of my prototypes. So and we can see it drill. Drill a nice little hole through PCB, tiny. And got some other stuff. Something else I'm working on is I'm going to make a label maker for using aluminium out of tin cans, but it just drills little tiny holes in that. But yeah, so hope you like that. It's a nice little tiny little drill. Thanks for watching.